Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how Pozotron Studio can make your audio productions faster, more efficient, and more accurate through the use of our AI-powered audio production tools. After uploading your manuscript to Pozotron, which can be in PDF, text, Word, or EPUB format, you'll have access to our production tools on the left-hand side here. I'll start off by showing you a pre-production script prep tool, our pronunciation guide. The pronunciation guide will scan every word in your manuscript and put together a suggestions list of any words that may be difficult to pronounce, such as capitalized rare words, complex words, or foreign words. Since Pozotron is integrated with online dictionaries, such as Oxford US, Oxford GB, Forvo, Merriam-Webster, and the Pronounceology database, you can research words quickly and easily. Simply add a word to your research list, and Pozotron will find a phonetic spelling and recorded pronunciation for the word.
Antipathy.
Since I have Merriam-Webster selected, it's checking there first. I can add words or ignore them from the list to quickly generate a pronunciation key that I can then share with project stakeholders to keep the project running smoothly. You can also view alternate pronunciations by clicking this cloud button on any of your words. This will show you everything Pozotron found across all of our integrated dictionaries, giving you quick comparisons
Dartmoor.
and different dialects that you can use in your project. On the right-hand side, you also have access to external pronunciation resources, such as How'd You Say, Youglish, One Look, and Cambridge, for any words that you need to dig a little deeper on. Once you've generated your list, you can return to research to view and edit any entry. You can then share the pronunciation guide via online reports or through giving direct access to the project using the share button here. The next prep tool I'll show you is the characters guide. The character voices guide works similarly to the pronunciation guide in the sense that it will also give you a suggestions list, this time looking for different characters that exist in the book. Pozotron makes it easy to research these characters, as you can hover over them to see up to 5 instances of their occurrences throughout the book, or click on this count button to see every single occurrence of a character, giving you the sentence that they're mentioned in, as well as the page that they appear on. Once you add a character to your character guide, you are able to upload a photo for reference, a character description describing their personality and traits, the voice description describing how they should be performed, as well as record voice samples that you can save to the project, making it easy to keep track of the different characters throughout the book. Once you've done your research in Pozotron, you can transfer this research to any other project, making sure that your research is used in future projects, keeping character continuity and pronunciations throughout an entire series. Next, I'll cover the proofing tool. Once you've recorded audio, you can upload the audio files here. Pozotron will automatically compare what was said in your audio files to what was written in your manuscript, giving you an output of every potential mistake our algorithm has found. These are marked as annotations, which you can see by clicking the proof button. This will show you the proofing interface, where every annotation has been underlined in red, as well as listed on the left-hand side with the details and timestamp for each mistake. I'll play this short section here to show you it in action.
Our audio proofing tool is designed to catch the key mistakes your narrator may make during narration, including words that may be accidentally added to the script by the narrator.
We can see here that the narrator said the words "that may be," and Pozotron's flagged these as words inserted. Now I can either mark it as OK, meaning it can be ignored, I can mark it as a typo, or I can mark it as a pickup.
Words missing from the script. Of course, it will find
Any words that are not narrated by the narrator will be flagged as words missing.
mispronouncements and misspoken words.
Mispronouncements should be mispronunciations. I'll mark that as a pickup.
Pauses longer than 2 seconds. noises, including audio distortions, synthetic sound issues.
It also catches pauses longer than 2 seconds, showing you the length of the pause, any background noises like a cough, or any clipping in your audio file will be detected as well. By marking these annotations as OK to be ignored or pickup to be corrected, Pozotron can then create automatic reports for you, which I'll show you next. By returning to the project, we can see everything's been checked and I have 6 pickups to be fixed. Under Import-Export, I can easily export a pickup packet, which can be sent to the narrator and includes all the details they need to do their pickups, such as the mistake, the timestamp, the context, and the original audio. The other report that can save a lot of time are our DAW marker exports. Under Import-Export again, we'll go to DAW markers and select the DAW that you're working in. Hitting Export will download a file that, when imported into your session, will show you exactly where the pickups are for your editor to easily access and correct the pickups in the file. Lastly, I'll cover some of our post-production tools, such as our Scan Occurrences tool, which will let you identify and listen to each occurrence of a particular word throughout your entire project. For example, I have Sherlock on the list, and Scan Occurrences will find every time it's said. By hitting Scan, I'm able to listen back to each instance.
Chapter 1. Mr. Sherlock Holmes. I laughed incredulously as Sherlock Holmes asked of Sherlock Holmes.
This tool makes it incredibly easy to find and correct any mispronunciations throughout the book. You can select these occurrences and export DAW markers to find them in your session, or you can annotate them and mark them as pickups. As a final check for your project, you can use our audio analysis tool. This tool will let you compare your mastered audio files against common distributor specification requirements, such as the ones listed below. With the preset selected, clicking Show Analysis will tell me if my files pass or fail the distributor specifications I've set. I can even inspect each file to see what specific requirements aren't met. This is a great final check to run on your audio files before you ship them off. Thanks for taking a look at Pozotron. If you have any questions or would like more information, such as how to start a free trial, please don't hesitate to contact us at www.pozotron.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.